tried to stay chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's been my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Da-da-da-da-da. Hey, 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 hey. Open up your eyes and see like me. Open up your plans and you'll be free. Open up your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's your God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved. Well, I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Won't you scoot on over, dear, and I will nibble your ear. Whoa, don't. Whoa, Well, I've been spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess I'm trying to say is that there ain't no better reason but to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your eyes and see like me. Open up your plans and you'll be free. Open up your heart and you'll find the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm